After zoning types are applied, you can apply building types to each parcel. Certain building types are only allowed in their appropriate zoning areas. There are 49 default building types available when setting up Urban with the US default template, but in some cases you'll need to create your own building type. In this tutorial, we'll look at creating custom building types. To begin, open the plan you created in Tutorial 3 in the Plan Designer. For me, this is the Millstone Tract plan. If you are just joining us, feel free to use the Millstone Tract Conceptual Master Plan. Select the plan of your choice and click the Options button. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. Adjust the view so you can clearly see the plan area. Use the selection tools to select the parcels you'd like to develop. Click Done to return to the Development side panel. Click Modify to open the Building Type panel. To create a new building type, click the Add button at the top of the panel. The New Building Type dialog box opens. Give your new building type a name. I'll call it Single Family Residential, 3-story, and MT for Millstone Tract. In Building Parts Configuration, click the Add button. Additional parameters become available that you can use to specify which parts define this building type. Because we've created a new single-family residential building type, we can leave the space use type set to residential single-family. Change the maximum number of floors to 3, and under Massing, click the drop-down arrow and choose Tower. Click the Options button on the diagram illustrating the building parts. Here you see the option to add structural parts to your building type. Structural parts indicate those parts of the building above ground. There are also substructural parts which can define things like parking garages. Your new building type is ready. Click OK to save this building type. Next, we'll apply the new building type to the selected parcels. In the top right of the Building Type panel, select Filter. Check Proposed in this plan and click Apply Filters. Your building type appears in the list. Select the building type you created to apply it to the selected parcels. Now that we've generated plausible buildings for redevelopment parcels, let's look at the Building Capacity dashboard. The dashboard is used to estimate the growth capacity metrics represented by the visualized development. The dashboard opens, showing summary building capacity indicators for all the new plausible buildings in the current plan and scenario. The metrics update based on changes in the scenario. To demonstrate this, I'll first remove a parcel and then change a building type. On the Workflow toolbar, choose the Selection tool. Select a parcel in the view. Click Done. On the Workflow toolbar, click Retire. Click Retire again to confirm your selection. The dashboard updates to show lower values for population and households. Another way to do this is to set the building type to Demolish. Select Develop, select a building in the view and click Modify. Clear any filters you have on the Building Type panel. From the Building Type list, select Demolish. Select Capacity on the Development side panel. Again, you can see the capacity indicators update to reflect the changes in the plan. In this tutorial, you learnt how to create a new building type. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to manage space use types within your plan.